Hello, my personal information. My name is Iseli Libet Gomez Plazas. I am 23 years old. I am from Chamesa Casanare. I live in Yopal. I work in Saler. I like to share in my family. I live with husband and daughters. I study a bachelor's in degree and child. My favorite series is The Queen of Flow. I family my favorite sport, basketball. Describing my family. My husband is John Merchant. He is 30 years old. He is public cocaine. He is from Puerto Gaitán. He is smart. He is thin. I has brown eyes and black hairs. My daughter is Samara Merchant. She is 3 months, born in Yopal. She is small, is thin, has black eyes and brown hairs, and is dedicated to filling my life with love.